plastic and cosmetic surgeon at Elite Plastic and Cosmetic Surgery Center, Nasik, Maharashtra, India. Today I am going to speak about one of the very critical thing, that is how to choose a good hair transplant clinic. So hair transplant, which is one of the procedure which is very exceedingly commonly done, and in last 4 to 5 years of my practice, I have seen a paradigm shift in the procedure, how it is being done, and it has been largely commercialized nowadays. So people are very confused which clinic to choose, how to choose the surgeon, or do we need to run after just the cost, number of the graft. So I'll just simplify for you how to go ahead and choose your hair transplant clinic. So first and foremost, you should see who is going to perform your surgery. So is the person a plastic surgeon or a qualified dermatologist? You should check that on online. And is that person is a member of AHRS, that is Association of Hair Restoration Surgeons of India. So if the person is member of AHRS, that itself certifies that he is qualified to do your hair transplant safely. So this is the first thing, the qualification of the doctor. Second and most important thing is the person himself going to perform your surgery? Is he available for the pre-op consultation, the primary consultation? Is he available during the surgery, and also all your follow-ups? That is very important and critical. So because of this factor only, we are seeing a lot of re-hair transplant, the complications that are being done nowadays. So these two things are very mandatory. Third thing is the transplant clinic equipped well to do your surgery. Is the all safety guidelines have been followed or not? Does the hospital have a backup to deal with any complications that arise during the procedure? So this is the third thing you should look after. Fourth and important thing is, while doing your primary evaluation, have the trichoscopy being done or not? So trichoscopy is examination of your hairs under magnification. So is that been done or not, that to see if your donor hairs are good or not? So these are the factors you should consider while going ahead for the surgery. Cost is of course one of the important factor, but just I'm not saying you should go ahead and pay very high cost, but just for saving 10-20,000 bucks, you should risk your hair, or for that matter your life. So choose your clinic wisely, consider all the factors that has been stated. Just don't go after the promotional offers or cost of the transplant, or just pre and post photos shown, just go shown by the person. Just don't go on that. Do your thorough research and evaluation, and then only choose your transplant clinic. Finally, I will tell you two important things for your transplant. The transplant, do it once, do it properly. There is we are doing a lot of redos being done from outside, so I will assure you it's not a machine that just will replace and put new hairs. Once it is done improperly, it is very difficult to correct. So do it once, do it properly, and try and do it from a doctor based clinic where the doctor himself is doing, and he is available for your pre-op, intra-op, and throughout your post-op consultations. So all the best. Thank you.
हॅलो, माझं नाव कल्पेश पाटील. मला हेअर लॉसचा खूप मेजर इश्यू होता. सिन्स 14 इयर्स, मोर दॅन 14 इयर्स, 14 वर्षापासून ऑलमोस्ट. यू कॅन से मी मार्केटमध्ये खूप रिसर्च केला, डॉक्टर्सला भेटलो, खूप मेडिसिन्स ट्राय केले, बट ते वर्कआउट नाही झालं. मग त्यानंतर मला डॉक्टर मनोज यांच्याबद्दल कळलं. मी त्यांच्याशी पर्सनल व्हिजिट केली, आणि ॲट द सेम टाइम अदर्स डॉक्टरसोबत पण कन्सल्ट केलं रिगार्डिंग ट्रान्सप्लांट. पण मला डॉक्टर मनोजबद्दल खूप पॉझिटिव्ह रिव्ह्यू होता. मार्केटमध्ये पण त्यांच्याबद्दल नाव होतं, आणि त्यांचे रिव्ह्यूज पण चांगले होते. मग मी त्यांच्याकडे सर्जरी करण्याचं ठरवलं. आणि सर्वात महत्त्वाचं म्हणजे सर्जरीच्या दिवशी ते स्वतः अवेलेबल असतात. ते स्वतः प्लास्टिक सर्जन असून ते स्वतः अवेलेबल असणं ही एक इम्पॉर्टंट गोष्ट आहे आजच्या टाईममध्ये. सो मी सर्टनली तुम्हाला रिकमेंड करेल की तुम्ही जेव्हा हेअर ट्रान्सप्लांटचा वगैरे निर्णय घेत असाल तर तुम्ही नक्की प्लास्टिक सर्जन करूनच करा, ज्या हायली क्वालिफाईड आहेत, प्रोफेशनल आहेत. तर मी तुम्हाला याबद्दल डॉक्टर मनोज यांच्याकडे मी नक्की रिकमेंड करेल, कारण की तुम्ही रिझल्ट पण बघू शकता. आता मोर दॅन 2 इयर्स झालेले आहेत. मी शेव पण केले होते पूर्ण माझे हेअर्स, तर पूर्ण नॅचरली ग्रो झालेले आहेत. डेन्सिटी चांगली आहे, सर्व व्यवस्थित आहे आणि डॉक्टरांच्या सांगण्याप्रमाणे मी प्रॉपर रुटीन फॉलो केलं तर मला ते जाणवतही नाही. आणि डेन्सिटी खूप चांगली असल्यामुळे यापूर्वी मला काही हेअर लॉसचा इश्यू होता हे कळत नाही. हे सगळं नॅचरल हेअर्स वाटतात. सो प्लीज टू विजिट डॉक्टर मनोज बच्चा. इज व्हेरी 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 गुड अँड प्रोफेशनल पर्सन. थँक्यू व्हेरी मच.